Welcome to Brainy Rhino YouTube channel.
Look, sweetie, these are called spinach leaves. They're very healthy. And these long ones are green beans. Can you say beans? Look, sweetie, an onion.
Onion.
That's right, a potato. Today is a bright, sunny day.
Chop, 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 the carrot top. Chop, 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 we never stop. Slice, 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 the onion small. Dice, 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 and watch them fall. Splish, splash, splish, the veggies dive. Splish, splash, splish, the flavors thrive. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle in the pan. Sizzle, 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 fast as you can. Bubble, 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 in the pot. Bubble, 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 steaming hot. Ding, 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 the timer rings. Yum, 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 the kitchen sings. Sizzle, 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 bubble, 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 in the pot. Bubble, 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 steaming hot. Ding, 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 the timer rings. Yum, 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 the kitchen sings. It warms the soul.
Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and share.